Yo, what's going on? Inandindani? Inandititi. Okay, welcome. Mulibwanje. Zina na ndititi ntemankala kuno ku USA koma dimachogera ko Tswana. Mulibwanje ndilibino zikoma kwambiri for everybody who's been subscribing. Zikoma kwambiri for all of you guys from Malawi. This one is for me personally. Okay, I feel like, yeah. A lot of you came to know me because of Jetu. You know what I mean? I owe her kwambiri. That's all I can say. But we are back with another reaction. Jetu, Osakwiya featuring Zeze Kingston. I think it's Zeze Kingston because this says Zeze. So let's see who is this Zeze. And man, like Jetu is on another level. Okay, like I haven't connected with the music, with her music recently. Look at that. What am I doing with my life? You know what I mean? Like, what am I doing? Okay, I don't know. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads. She is the boss. I feel like she's the boss in real life now. Don't you guys? Isn't she the boss in real life?
Turn on to them.
Everybody sit down. She's in control, man. She's controlling the Malawi right now. She is the president.
Hey yo, Jenny.
Yeah, this is the kiss.
Jenny.
Amuzi pano pali mitini
Tikambirane.
Lelo sindibisa mau ndikuuzeni
Tinalulane.
Ati kodi ninda amina manitandiza kukageba.
The fashion is
kono amine ni makaja kwao ninda. Ni makudusa ni mamawa ili mungu otera zuwa. Ili mungu banga udoro ili ndikutolera soda. Zambi galiti zama zuzulana Dalama yanga. Zambi galiti zama zuzulana Dalama yanga.
Mulomo. Wait, you also say mulomo for mouth? Oh. Okay. I don't know.
Osakwiya. Eyo, Osakwiya. Ndizomwe akupangazo. Osakwiya. Usewanda DJ nao. DJ zinyama. Nimwe zibawa. Ndalama zindiye ndizanga. Mavuto ndiwona pamawa. DJ zinyama. Nimwe zibawa. Ndalama zindiye ndizanga. Mavuto ndiwona pamawa. Osakwiya. Ndizomwe akupangazo. Osakwiya.
I feel like Jetu is giving us bad advice. It's like, you know what? Eat. We'll see the problems tomorrow. No, I'm kidding. I don't know what the song is all about, but I think that's kind of the thing, right? Let me know in the comment section. I'm hearing like bawa, obviously. Don't ask me how I know that word. No, honestly, it's we use the same word for the bar, and kungwa. I think that's what they said. Like, yeah, just drinking. Drink to forget your problems. That's basically, I don't know.
Usewanda DJ nao.
Kuyakula kwa mbili Mulomo Nikuja papiru yanga ile
Osakwiya.
Nikuja papiru yanga ile Osakwiya mamuna yusinga msiye Sijo samene tinga malile teile Wai magwelezera
fashion, man. What is going on with the fashion?
Salipelese kudini wadiwe Kusoega kwani kusalivangise Ana kuponya ndiwinda kusajiwa ngayu Kuyakula kwa mbili
Hey, beautiful stuff, man. Jetu, I'm glad. I think I've said this like, oh, whatever, 2 years, 3 years ago when I first reacted to one of her songs. I was like, I am so grateful to see like an older person doing this, because you're probably thinking like you have an expiry date. I wish like she could be 120 and she still be like singing. I don't know. Maybe she doesn't want to live to that long, but I feel like everyone would wish her to live very long time and she continue with her music journey. Beautiful, beautiful story there to tell. And like, it's not just her. People around the world, like in the USA, it's not what's the word? It's not shocking to find an elderly person working. I know in Botswana, like especially for restaurant, like all those things, you hardly see older people there. Like I'm talking people in the if in their like retiring years, 60 and stuff like that. So why would we just like let the talent like she is talented, I don't know if you're supposed to say that for older people, but there is talent there, and it wasn't just like one of those viral. Anyway, now I'm talking a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel. I will see you guys on the other side.